Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a quick and simple way to find and recover recently deleted photos on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Photos app. This is where all your photos and albums are stored. In the Photos app, go to the Albums tab and view all your photo albums. Scroll down until you find recently deleted. Tap on it, unlock it and click on delete all, recover all, and in this way you can recover your photos. For example, if I want to delete this photo, I'll simply click on delete, but here to recover, simply click on recover and click on recover photo, and your photo will be recovered. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully found and recovered your recently deleted photos on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next